1985 K10 Silverado. Just in here at Unique, especially in classics. 5-liter V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a automatic transmission, 4-speed automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Although the AC components appear to all be there as far as under the hood. I have not had the compressor kick on and off, FYI. Take a look at the front grille, chrome bumper. Paint on this one does show its age some, and we'll take a look at that as we walk around it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the underside, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Rally wheels, automatic locking hubs up front. You can see in the still pictures also, by the way, the actual kind of build sheet, I guess, if you will, that's in the glove box, the sticker that goes in the glove box. It'll tell you the options on this truck. Check that out in the still pictures. Now, when I talk about some of the paint in this, little clear missing right here, as you can see, and as we go around it, there are some blemishes on it. But take a look around. Wheel wells. Lots of times where you start to see them corrode and maybe rust out from behind. Do have a little repair right above here. Also in front of that wheel well in the back. And then you have some light scratching kind of throughout and around, but looking for one to drive the way it is, maybe take to the next level. Be a nice truck, nice candidate for that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Obviously, a little corrosion back here, and also scratching on the tailgate. And again, check out the still pictures. There's probably, I bet you 80 pictures of this car online. See the underside, the interior. Check it out for yourself. Take your time looking through the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Now, as far as some of the service work, does have newer exhaust. You can tell that by the tailpipe. Look at the underside pictures, you'll be able to see that. Also a new fuel pump, rear brake shoes, and wheel cylinders were replaced. And coming around to this side again, like we mentioned on the passenger side, some light scratching, a little previous repair. Get a good look at that. Interior, blue cloth. That's the way that this truck would have been produced back in '85. Blue on blue. There's power windows, power locks, tilt column. Go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run also. If I can reach around there. Take a look at the gauges. Oil pressure gauge working fine. It was a cold start. Temperature gauge won't have moved. Fuel gauge appears to be working fine. Take a look at the dash. No cracks. That's time to see those cracked. One minor one there in the speaker holes. They have tacked up the headliner, FYI. And let's take a look at the seat. Looks like that's pretty much free of rip stairs or holes. Slip around to the back, what you'd expect. 5-liter V8. I'm going to slip up to the front here. Let me pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this with.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the hood liner. And here we go underneath the hood. Pretty stock looking engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Have not had the AC compressor kick on and off, FYI. 5-liter, paired up with that automatic 4-speed transmission. 1985 K10 Silverado. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate or you call in or email.